I feel like this video might be a little negative. No, the title's not clickbait. I have not seen anything yet, but before I get this video started, I feel it's gonna be a little negative, and I don't like being negative, so check this out. I like writing for myself positive messages here on the whiteboard, as well as like goals that I want to hit. Obviously 100K. I think it's positive things. I really encourage you guys to do it because it does help, and it just staring at it whenever you do stare at it. What are you doing in my room? Why are you always walking in on me? Let's say you never look at it, and then one time you do. That one time might be your turning point, so it's not a bad idea to have it. But alright, so I was actually laying in bed editing the last video you guys saw, maybe. And then my dad comes in the room and just explains everything to me. I have not seen anything yet. We're about to go look at the footage first, and then we're gonna go look at the damage. I love this dog, dude. All she wants to do is play ball. It's ridiculous. What? Bruh. So that's actually really annoying. For some reason, this camera right here, right there, it's not really recording for some reason, so that's great. I have not looked at it at all. My dad said that it's on the driver's side door, and he explained to me how everything happened, so this is gonna be the first look. Damn. Wow, I mean, it could be, I'm just gonna show you guys. They're like deep scratches. Damn, but the whole paint came out here. And down here as well. Like some of them are like not so deep scratches, but like these right here are, there's no paint here. This is exactly how it happened. I'm gonna show you guys the things that fell on the car and why I'm saying it could have been worse. So every time we gotta work on the car, since it's so low, we gotta put it on top of these bricks. All this was up here for some reason. Obviously this thing isn't very balanced at all. I can move it easily. This thing, not very stable. 3 bricks on top, somehow, some way, fell. Bricks like literally just barely scratched on the door. The Danny Z garage is not safe. Do not come by. Yo, this freaking sucks, bro. Oh, this got scuffed up as well. I'm just happy there's no dent on the door. Dude, that really sucks though. I kind of didn't really want to start my day like this, let's put it that way. Yep, right there, but it like barely scratches. So I'm thinking the backside of the brick is what scratched everything instead of the brick just hitting the door. So it could have been definitely worse. But still, like all those scuffs, man, that really sucks. But it's alright. Now it just means that we gotta get a wrap. What color should I wrap it? Red, like 300? I don't know. Definitely not happening anytime soon, though, I think. If there's any wrapping companies out there watching this and you wanna, you know, work together or something, hit your boy up. Hit up my Instagram or my email. I don't know. Alright, we started this video with a big L, but we took a dub, boys. Shout out to the neighbors for screaming. But okay, so I haven't really showed you guys this, and it's gonna be a quick fix. I didn't want to show it until I fixed it, just so it wasn't like taking up time. But if you come right here and you turn on the car, DRLs are working, my headlights are working, everything's working. Then you come back here and nothing works. Tail lights don't work, license plate lights don't work, their brake light doesn't work. Nothing works. This could have been so many things, and we spent literally like a day just trying to figure it out, trying to think of something. We figured it out. We figured it out. So there's 2 primary, or the biggest fuse boxes. One down here. The other one's actually very tricky, and I had no idea where it was. And where it was is when you take out all the battery plastic, it is right here, right next to the battery. So you can see right there, 10, tail light fuse. That's the one that was bad. And as you can see right there, we blew a fuse. I don't think you guys realize how happy Matthew and I were when we figured out that it was just a fuse. I'm talking a lot, but we haven't even tested it out, so let's do that before we continue. Let's go! It does work! Yo! Oh my gosh. I gotta give Matthew a call, actually. We're actually gonna go ahead and prank him again. Answer the phone, my dude. Bro. That wasn't the problem.
It
No.
What?
That's what I'm saying.
Let me see.
I'm just kidding.
Looks like it's working.
Alright, it's a new day and accident still did happen. Like, let me just show you guys, like, you hear that? Like, that is like deep in there. These are deep scratches. That's like that's the metal, I think, or that's the primer. I'm not sure, but these are like deep. Like up here, not so deep, but these are like extremely deep. I posted this on Instagram. A lot of you guys are telling me to go ahead and buy the little markers, paint corrector markers. I feel like that is gonna work, so that's definitely gonna be a DIY that I do. But if you have any other suggestions, let me know, because this is so sad. But today we're on a mission. We're gonna say goodbye to these. Let's just take a moment though, and like, the difference is just absolutely insane. What the heck? Oh, there you go. I don't feel like getting the tripod out, so you guys are on top of the box right now. Alright, so as you guys have seen before, I worked with a brand called Last Fit. So these are the new bulbs. If you do not already know, I actually have Last Fit bulbs in the 370Z. The difference between these that I have on 370Z and the OEM halogen bulbs, it's just like night and day difference. Like, it is ridiculous. But if you thought those were good, these are actually an improved version, which we're gonna install today, but a little bit later. And I'm thinking I might give away the ones that I have on right now, because like, why not? These went from tail lights to literal pillows. I mean, this is not breaking anytime soon. Also, you're probably not, but in case you are wondering, I'm shipping these out to Matthew. He's the one that did the custom Danny Z Insane RGB tail lights. And I'm pretty sure he's gonna customize these for like the next customer. So if you want these, but like highly customized or however you want, just shoot him a DM at AutoTune Customs on Instagram. And also, ooh, I have a little surprise. We're just out here innovating. We're actually gonna be shipping out the DRLs to him as well. So we won't have DRLs for a bit, but let's just put it this way, guys. These DRLs are gonna be completely different from any other DRL you've seen out there, so I'm pretty hyped. Yo, check this out. These taillights are not breaking anytime soon. The amount of packaging and just reinforcement I put, you can't even find the taillight. Obviously, this is the funny part, but like, they should be good. Alright, my microphone literally took a complete crap, so here I'm explaining that my wiring job is absolutely horrific, and we're gonna do a much better job when he ships them back. And if you're wondering what I mean by took a crap, listen to this. Alright, DRLs are out. Look at these, man. Like, they look pretty good, but they don't have a screen, like a little acrylic protector. It's just literally the light bulbs. They look good from far away, but when you get close up, they're a little bit weird. Either way though, next time we see these, they're gonna be so much better. Kobe! Rest in peace to the GOAT. But alright, we're gonna go ahead and drop this off. It's supposed to close at 6, and it is currently literally almost 5 p.m. That's not good. Oh my god, it's so hot. Here we go. Honestly, can't lie, that was actually really slow. Very slow, yeah. Alright, so I cannot be the only one that didn't know Walmart didn't have a FedEx. But here we are. This is a good thing because it's right next to my house. So I got pretty lucky, I guess. I'm so stupid. Alright, but I'll catch you guys when we're home. First, take the tail light off. This cap right here. As you can see, I have the aftermarket older version of this one that I'm putting on today. Here's a really good comparison. This is the old one that I had. This is the new one. Like, the design is definitely different, and this one just looks bulkier. The fan's probably a little bit better. It just looks better overall. And it has this one thing on top. It just looks better overall, but this one is honestly still great. And never mind, scratch that. You do have to take a tail light out. Reason is you do have to take out the ballast, and to be able to take this out, you gotta take this whole thing out, and it's just much better to do it outside the car. All you have to do is unplug this main harness wire and you're good. So we basically just have to replace this ballast with this new one. You have to disconnect this little harness wire from the LED, and you gotta like fish them and connect them from in there. So that's a little hardest part, but it's pretty simple. Again, if you really want like a step-by-step how-to video on converting halogen bulbs to LEDs, go watch the last video. It's gonna be in the description. This is just gonna be quick. Alright, this side is done, so you guys can see right there. Pretty OEM, it fits perfectly. The only thing that kind of was a little bit of trouble, trying to get this retainer which holds everything down. So what I did, I took off the retainer, put in the LED bulb where it's supposed to go. Then I put in the retainer, kind of just plugged it in, but it's good. But I'm gonna do this before I do the other side. I'm gonna wait for it to get really dark. Then go ahead and compare both sides and just see the big difference between the two. Animation I found for the tail light. So it's called orbital, right? Check this out. So it goes from one tail light and it comes back to the other. I'm gonna speed it up so you guys can see. Look at this. And it can go backwards, and I can control it going forward. Dude, that's so. And if I really want to slow it down, it can go backwards to the other way. And then the other way. Dude, that's so freaking sick. I don't know if camera's gonna pick it up, but I can definitely tell the difference between the new LED bulb and the old LED bulb. Not much though, like honestly. Like this is the new bulb, and then this is the older bulb. So the difference is definitely there, just not a crazy amount of difference. Pretty sure a lot of you are gonna ask me where you can get these, so I'm gonna hook you guys up. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Click on that, and that's gonna be a direct link to the tail lights, to the headlights, and you can go ahead and buy it. And I definitely recommend that if you have the stock halogen bulbs, please upgrade to LEDs. Like, you're not gonna regret it. This car used to be so annoying driving at night when I first bought it, and when I switched to the LEDs, like, major difference. Also, I'm sort of looking at it from the side, and I think there's a dent. Oh my gosh. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I know it sucks. Definitely something I wish I could have avoided. I mean, it definitely was my fault, but I wasn't involved in it. Like, I was just in my room editing, and then that happened. Definitely annoying, but things happen for a reason. With that said, thank you guys so much for watching again. Peace out. Leave a like, subscribe, become part of the fam, road to 100K, and also